guys, I just finished getting ready and you guys are gonna hang out with me for a bit today. So that's what this video is gonna be. I haven't uploaded a video. There's a few things I need to buy to be able to edit videos, so I'll bring you guys with me to that. I'm also working today, so we'll do that as well. Sorry if there's a mess back here. I'm trying to let my blanket finish drying up, so that is that. I wanted to show you guys this stool I got at, what was it? I think it was TJ Maxx. Or was the Home Goods side? I don't know. They're like two together and I don't know what side I got it from. And it's so cute. It's a little stool. It's tiny, but it's perfect, like the perfect height. And it's not just a stool. It also fits stuff inside. How cool is that? It's so pretty. I love it. It's so comfy and I love like the pattern on it. It's made in India. And it's just so cute. You can't tell like how mustard it is here, but it's mustard. So I'm at the salon now. I already went to Best Buy like I needed to go. Basically what I needed from there was a hard drive for my MacBook, because my MacBook currently has no storage, so I can't edit or anything on there. And what I've been editing on is my iMac, but it's in the room and I don't want to be antisocial like that, so getting a hard drive for my MacBook, I could like literally edit anywhere. And yeah, it's complicated, this whole editing stuff, making video stuff, it's like a whole different world. So yeah, having that hard drive is definitely gonna help out a lot, so I could like just constantly make more videos and edit and not worry about space, because that's what stops me a lot, like just the lack of storage space I have. But yeah, that is that. I'm at the salon now and I'm gonna start setting up for my first few clients. I also have some supplies here that I need to put away. Got my wax. I ordered these off of Amazon. I always try to order my cotton rounds off of Amazon. I get a 3-pack of 100 and they don't last me at all. And then some wax sticks. I always place orders like little by little and it bites me in the ass at the end of the day, or at the end of the week I should say, because I'm constantly having to like buy more stuff. I am back home now. I finished work. It was a busy day and I'm exhausted, but we're just gonna have dinner now and then just chill because I don't know what else to do. Actually, I need to do my nails, but I don't know if I'll do that today. I'm kind of lazy. I don't know, we'll see. I guess you guys will find out in the next clip. Hey guys, it's the next day. I am currently getting ready. I did everything I had to do this morning, or at least everything I think I had to do. And I'm gonna get ready for the day because I still have some errands to run. I'm gonna start off my makeup with this milk oil stick that I've had for like such a long time. And I just love like how dewy it makes me look. I don't know if they sell it anymore. I got it a while ago. It's the Milk Hydrating Oil. And I just put that all over my face. Because your girl needs the hydration. So I really didn't end up doing anything last night. I just kind of chilled for the rest of the day. I told you guys I needed to do my nails, but that didn't happen. But for sure tonight I have to do them. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Dewy Foundation. Do You Foundation. I also worked out this morning. I've been working out for like a total of 6 weeks now. So I think I'm on a roll. Last week was a really bad workout week because I just took too many rest days. And then the days that I did work out, I just felt like so lazy. I'm back to it. And I realized I'm not always going to have the motivation to work out, but I can't rely on that. Like I can't rely on just feeling motivated. I have to just kind of do it even though I don't want to do it, because then I feel better afterward. Onto my eyebrows now. As I was saying, you can't rely on motivation, or at least I can't rely on motivation to, whether it's to keep on working out or just other goals I have. I can't rely on motivation because it's just a feeling that comes and goes. Just like we're not sad all the time, we're not happy all the time, it's just a feeling. So I can't rely on being motivated and only work out or work towards my goals when I feel motivated. I kind of just have to do it. even when it sucks. And for my brows, it's just the same eyeshadow I showed you guys the last time. For my eyeliner, I'm using this gel liner from Maybelline. I also dyed my hair today. Well, I didn't really dye it. I added like a color deposit, and I literally only left it on for like 2 to 3 minutes, and look at how bright it got. That's insane. So it's a color depositing shampoo, and it's really pigmented, but I'll go ahead and leave the name and the shade or the color that I used down below, so go ahead and look at that if you're interested. It's definitely a good method if you're trying to just kind of play around with colors or like just not commit to a certain color. Alright, that's it for my makeup. I'm gonna eat now because I'm hungry, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so it's time to do my nails now. This is my little setup. I love this desk because it's so light. I always have it in our room, but it's super easy to just move around anywhere. So right now I moved it to the living room so I could chill. And here's all the stuff I need. And I use the Apres Gel X method. It's so dark right now. I use the Apres Gel X in Stiletto Mediums. I love these. If you haven't tried them, you need to try them. It saves you so much time too, cutting and filing. Hey guys, I'm back. I forgot my camera at home today, so I haven't filmed anything at all. And I was just gonna go the whole day without filming, but I was like, you know what, I have my phone, let's just record on the phone. So here we are. I had work earlier and I had my lunch. And these are my nails. These are the nails I ended up doing. I don't know if I showed you already. But these are the nails. Cute. I added just one cherry charm on each hand. And yeah. Hey guys, good morning. I have a pretty busy day today. I have to go to Ikea to pick up these side tables that I've been wanting. They've been out of stock for the longest time, but they're finally in stock, and I'm gonna pick them up. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and then I'm gonna build them and just set them up in the room. And I also have to pick up an Instacart order. I also have a pretty exciting package coming today. I ordered some stuff from this Instagram page that I found. She has her online website, puts up a lot of vintage items for sale, so I bought a few things and it gets here today, so I'm gonna show you guys that. And I think I'm also going to make a separate video on kind of a thrift haul and add that on there, so you guys could see a full video on that. So this is currently what I have next to my side. It's just this cart that is not supposed to be here, but it's been here for a whole year now. So we're gonna replace that with the little nightstand, and I'm probably gonna put this in the closet where you can't see it. Alright, so the first thing I got is this gray duvet cover. Online it says it's gray, but it looks creamish to me. And right now we have a light green one, and I'm just over that color. I wanted something more aesthetic, so I went with this. I also don't like white. I hate the white look. I feel like literally everyone and their moms has white. And that comes with the duvet cover plus 2 pillowcases. And since I have 4, I got 2 extra pillow covers, so same color. I also want to get a throw pillow, a black one. I was looking at the ones they have at Ikea, but they weren't really I wasn't interested in them, so I'm eventually gonna get a black throw pillow. Last but not least, I got 2 nightstands. I initially saw these from a TikTok, and the girl was just raving about them and how cheap they were, and they are cheap. They're only 15 bucks. It is Kanarvik. I'm saying that so wrong, but that is that right there. And I got 2 of them because they are $15, and ever since I saw that video I've been trying to get them, and they've been out of stock. It's been months now, but I finally got my hands on them, and I'm gonna get to building this now. It shouldn't take me a long time. I like building stuff, but I think this one's gonna be super easy because it's like tiny, it's small, and it's just in this tiny box. That's what I'm gonna do now. Here's the final product. Got this one there, one here. Next, to add some prints on top of here.